stand up here to videotape it.
Oh,
I'm lazy, I gotta sit down. Never mind. Dang, look at the tractor tires. Oh, no, not tractor tires. They're cut boggers on that Jeep. That's always good. It's gonna overheat like that too.
what happened?
Stuff, a lot of stuff. Got any?
Stuff like that happens.
Right there, that's Racing Jason.
Well, sucks to be him, don't it?
Racing Jason's the guy over there in the blue. Hey, the guy in the blue shirt right there.
Racing Jason.
That's Racing Jason. He's in a suit. I can't wait to see him. When he goes, he's gonna set a record. He's gonna set a record. 0.111111. That's what quads are for.
106.7.
Drag it up there at the quad and bring it over.
You could drive the tractor through, then hook him up, then pull him back out.
I don't see why I don't start back up.
Maybe you gotta kill him. Maybe spark plug. What the fucking do? Sucks to be him. Not my fault. He went. Damn it.
Ah, they got the Bobcat to drag the chain. Really? Lazy fuckers. Lazy, lazy, lazy.
Hey, buddy, what happened? You got chicken? Afraid your tire was going to pop like the other one? Took him long enough to get it back out.
You're gonna drive the Bobcat backwards all the way up there next to those guys.
Oh, dude, they're going to be chicken shit. I'll drive through it. Make fun of it.
No, that Bobcat wouldn't go very far. I mean, I've had Bobcats in. I knew he was going to get the quad.
Now everybody's the quad.
I knew he was going to get the quad to pull it. You're too slow, Jason.
I should charge my phone before I came here.
Yeah, I seen that. Your battery's dead.
Yeah.
Shut off.
Yeah.
Don't you have a car charger?
Chris LaPointe. Did you get
Dropped my phone for a week.
50/50s over there? Don't know.
Hey, what happened?
Shut up.
What happened?
Ask him when he's done.
Oh. I'm here first.
He'll tell him.
Interested in 50/50 tickets.
Nobody.
Coming right over right now with the lime green sweatshirt.
Flip it over. I'm going to see the can fall in. You guys go digging for it.
Once again, a reminder, if you do not win the 50/50,
Nope.
don't throw your tickets away. There's a bunch of other prizes that you can win with those tickets.
Hope you bend your fenders.
And other prizes that you can win. It's not just a 50/50 ticket. It's a raffle ticket for a bunch of other prizes that we'll draw also. So if you
It's a
don't win
flimsy
50/50,
bumper.
don't throw that ticket away.
Car battery right here for my charger. Pick it up.
Mark Cooper to the starting line, please. Mark Cooper.
Hold on here.
Just drive the other trucks beside him.
Yeah, sure that's gonna work totally, man.
Yeah, that totally worked.
Yeah, fly over the truck. Hey, where'd the truck go? Oh,
Just put a ramp behind him.
Yeah. Watch him land in China.
I want to see him hit that hill right there full speed. They jumped those semis.
shit, and then some.
And then they hit those telephone poles.
That would really suck.
That would suck.
Fire. Fire.
Look at them front tires. Them things are like paddles, but they're cut boggers. They're the exact same kind of tire that's on the back. And on a lot of these other trucks.
Those ones look squarer than the ones up front.
They're the same tire though, they just cut them. They cut them with a hot knife.
As we're pulling the high priority